Here's the real number. A disciplined traveler funding trips with cash, not points, can bank $1,500 to $3,000 a year for travel without earning a single mile. No churning, no annual fees to track, no expiring points. Just 7 moves that turn your normal paycheck into a travel machine. If rewards content overwhelms you, this is the version built for people who just want to go on more trips. Stick around, because Step 7 turns money you already have coming, and probably ignore, into guaranteed travel cash. Move 1. Open a separate savings account labeled Travel and automate a transfer the day after every paycheck. This is called a sinking fund. You're not saving randomly. You're pre-funding a known future expense on a schedule. Even $50 a paycheck becomes $1,300 in a year before you even think about it. Put it in a high-yield savings account so idle travel cash still earns interest while it waits. The key is automation. If you have to decide to save every month, some months you won't. Separation matters too. A dedicated account means you can't accidentally spend your flight money on takeout. Rehook, that's just move 1. Move 5 is the one that can shave hundreds off every flight you book. Move 2. Use one flat-rate cashback card for trip spending instead of juggling a points portfolio. Look for a simple 2% back card with no annual fee. Cashback never expires and never devalues. Points programs change their charts overnight. Cashback is cashback, guaranteed every time. Set that card to auto-deposit rewards straight into your travel sinking fund from Move 1. This isn't about maximizing categories or tracking bonus quarters. It's one card, one purpose, 0 mental overhead. If you already have a cashback card sitting unused, this move might cost you nothing to start today. Move 3. For any trip purchase over $100, wait 24 hours before booking. Flash sales and countdown timers are designed to bypass your budget brain. The wait breaks that spell. Add the item to a cart or a notes app, close the tab, and revisit it tomorrow with your actual budget in front of you. Most of the time, the price hasn't moved, but your urge to overspend has. This single habit prevents the #1 trip budget killer: emotional booking at midnight. Rehook. Next up is the move that can fund an entire flight using stuff already sitting in your closet. Move 4. Sell unused subscriptions and unused belongings and route every dollar straight into your flight budget. Audit your subscriptions this week. The average household wastes real money monthly on apps nobody opens. Cancel 2 or 3 you forgot about and redirect that recurring amount into the sinking fund automatically. Then do a 1-weekend sweep. Clothes, electronics, unused gear listed on a resale marketplace. Selling even 10 items at $20 to $30, each can fund a domestic flight before you check a single price alert. Label this money mentally as flight money the moment it hits your account, so it doesn't quietly disappear into daily spending. Move 5. Use a flight price tracking tool to watch your route for weeks before you buy. Set alerts on a price tracking tool for your specific dates and airports. Then let the data tell you when to strike. These tools show historical price patterns, so you know if today's fare is actually low or just average. Airfare on the same route can swing by hundreds of dollars in a single month, with 0 change in the flight itself. The goal isn't finding a mythical secret day to book. It's patience plus data instead of guessing. Combine this with your sinking fund. Money's ready, so when the real bottom hits, you book immediately. Rehook. Once the flight's booked, most people blow the budget on everything else. Move 6 fixes that. Move 6. Split your total trip budget into 4 labeled envelopes: flights, hotels, food, and activities. This can be physical cash envelopes or 4 labeled sub-accounts in a budgeting app. Same principle either way. Decide the split before you land. For example, 40% flights and hotels, 30% food, 30% activities. When an envelope's empty, that category is done spending for the trip, full stop. This removes the constant math during vacation. You already know exactly what's left in each bucket. It also stops the classic pattern, where flights and hotels eat the whole budget, and food money runs out by day 3. Move 7. Automatically route a fixed percentage of every windfall, tax refund, work bonus, side gig payout, into travel. The average tax refund alone can cover a huge chunk of a trip if it never touches your checking account first. Pick a number now, like 50% of any bonus or refund, so there's no decision fatigue when the money lands. Side gig income is even better for this because it wasn't part of your budget to begin with. It's pure upside. This move turns irregular, unpredictable income into the most predictable part of your entire travel fund. Combined with your automated paycheck transfers, this is what gets you from $1,300 to over $3,000 a year. Let's recap the full system in order. 1. Automate a dedicated travel sinking fund. 2. Use one simple cashback card. 3. Apply the 24-hour rule on big buys. 4. Sell subscriptions and clutter for flight cash. 5. Track prices and buy at the real bottom. 6. Split every trip into flight, hotel, food, and activity envelopes. 7. Route windfalls straight into travel automatically. None of this requires a single point, mile, or annual fee to track. Your next move: open that dedicated savings account today and set the automatic transfer before you close this tab. That one action is what separates people who talk about traveling more from people who actually book the flight. If this system was useful, the next video breaks down how to build a full trip budget from scratch, category by category.